Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we will unbox these Datsun Wagon by Kaido House Mini GT. I bought these at Amazon. I'm surprised Amazon have these. So it was sold out somewhere in different online diecast store, and I'm surprised Amazon have stock of these. If you want to check it out, and yeah, so boxes are nice. I opened this one already to check out if it is a chase, but unfortunately it's not. So I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like. Packaging is nice. Need to carefully take it out from the box because it was so small. Wow. So this is my second Kaido House. The other one is also a 510 but gray edition. As you can see, the details of this car are exquisite. It's a Hanami, Datsun 510 Hanami in pink. You can see the engine, but I believe the hood is opening. Yes, some nice detailed engine right there. Let's put some light on it, but it's not focusing. Let me see. There you are. So small, but it's nice. The details of it are like, wow. For some people able to do this one, it takes a lot of work. Why is it not focusing? Like I said, the base for this one is metal, as you can see. It's a 1971 Datsun 510 wagon. It is the most sought after diecast, the Datsun 510. I don't know why, but JDM people really love this car, this casting, Datsun 510. I believe there is no collector, JDM collector doesn't have a Datsun 510 wagon in their collection. But as you can see, it's nice and pink, and some flowers decals on it, and it's gonna go to my collection. Yep. So if you guys like it, hit the like button, and I appreciate if you guys subscribe, and if you subscribe already, thank you so much for the support, and keep watching. See you guys next time. Bye.